Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I will show you guys how to turn off this Ask Gemini on your Google Chrome. I don't know how the hell you want to turn off this kind of feature because this feature is really cool. But never mind, if you want to turn it off, here the tutorial. You just click this Ask Gemini on your Chrome, and then press this triple dot on your screen. Okay, and then click this setting and help, and then click this Open Chrome settings. Okay, you just turn off on the top here. There is an option of show Gemini at the top of browser. You just turn it off and then voila. Now the Ask Gemini is missing or is gone. But I don't know. This is very cool feature. I just suggest you to keep it on because you could interact to any website using Gemini directly instead of copying the content to the Gemini chat. Now we can interact directly into any website on the internet. So that's it. Very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.